really good entry-level train set or train pack, or if you would like to expand your fleet of Australian trains. Hi, this is Marlin at Hearns Hobbies. I just wanted to show you the Pacific National Train Pack by Frateschi. Let's have a closer look. Alright, so this train pack is by a Brazilian manufacturer called Frateschi, and it is a pack of a locomotive and 3 carriages for the Pacific National Freight brand. So we'll have a closer look inside the box. So we have 2 different versions of this available. This particular one features track, so it's actually a train set. They've actually included Atlas snap track, an oval's worth, so you can set that up and you just need to add a power supply. And then there's also a train pack version which just includes the locomotive and the rolling stock. So let's take this lid off and we'll see what's inside the box. So straight up you've got 3 carriages, and these are container wagons. They look like they're all identical. So what we'll do is we'll open the box, we'll have a look inside and see if we can check out the detail. There we go. These look like 20-foot shipping containers. Quite nicely detailed. Pretty good weight to them as well. Let's remove this from the packaging. Got more containers, 4 in total for this one. As you can see, it's actually 2 articulated carriages or freight wagons. So you have a couple at either end, and these are the loop style couplers. So similar to the old Lima couplers, and also compatible with Hornby and Bachmann branch line coupling systems. But these can be retrofitted with knuckle couplers if you'd like, so they can more easily run with other Australian HO scale rolling stock and locomotives. Yeah, so there you go. So in total you get 3 of these, so 6 articulated carriages in total, which is really cool. Let's put that down. All right, and the locomotive is a GE C30 class locomotive. I'll just open this up in Pacific National colors. It's got some detail parts. We'll just put those aside for now. Have a closer look at the detail on the locomotive. Quite crisp lettering, and colors look really accurate. There we go. Yeah, some quite nice detail there. And also included in the packet are the handrails for the sides and the rear of the locomotive and the front, if you wish to fit them and paint them. And spare couplers in the bag too. So you can add these if you'd like to. If it's going to be handled by somebody younger and you're worried about small detail parts falling off or being removed quite easily, you could decide to leave them off. And we'll just put this aside. Remove our carriages, the other boxes too. Alright, so inside we have our information about the product, so instructions on how to add all the detailed parts to the locomotive if you wish to, and some information about warranty, locomotive maintenance, how to assemble the track, and just a basic overview on how to use all of the components in the box. Now this particular example that I have includes an oval of track made with Atlas snap track. So this is a code 100, and that refers to the rail code or the height of the rail. So this is compatible with most other brands of HO or 00 scale track like Hornby and Pico. So inside you get straight sections, enough curves to complete an oval, and also the power rail joiners that will allow you to connect this to the ends of the track and also to your power pack. So that isn't included with this. However, that does give you the freedom to use whichever power pack you choose, which you would have to buy separately. A good recommendation would be something like the Gauge Master combi controller, which is manufactured in the UK, and it's quite a good quality level unit if you just need a standard analog or DC style controller. Alright guys, and that's a quick look at the Pacific National Train Pack by Frateschi. So it's a really good entry-level train set or train pack for somebody just getting started in model railways, or if you would like to expand your fleet of Australian trains. So thank you very much. Have a great day.